What's going on, guys? I'm just giving Diego's Volunteer here a little spit shining before I crate it up, ship it out there to him. Well, actually, no, I was talking to Brandon and we're talking about offering a special delivery service. It's gonna be the Brandon Lawson special. He is actually gonna pull your smoker all the way to your house, and when he shows up, he's gonna have a brisket in there cooking on you. So guys, when you call in, ask about the Brandon Lawson special. But anyways, let's check Diego's Volunteer out now. He loaded this thing up, guys. He got just about all the options you can get on the Volunteer. Really slick smoker here. Now we'll start with the main chamber here. Guys, this is a big smoker, right? Our Volunteer is 52 inches wide, 27 inches deep on the inside. A big old smoker. Of course, you got bottom and top sliding trays. Got your water pan shelf back there as well. Got his complimentary handcrafted fire poker in there. You got your standard wire mesh front shelf here, paper towel and utensil holder. Now guys, like all Volunteers, come standard with this fold down stack. All right, this thing's tall, as you can see. So take your T-handle out, boom, fold her down, lock it up, you're ready to roll. Now, as you can see, it is on our off-road package as well. He got the upgraded wheels and tires. Guys, it's hard for me to let a pit roll out here that's not on upgraded wheels and tires. It just makes them. So he got that. Now, as you can see, he did add on, this is one of our newer options here on the Volunteer, the griddle top. All right, now we do cut out the firebox underneath this griddle top, so it does get hot. You can cook on it. We got your little grease chute here. Hang your cup on it, catch all your grease. But guys, it's so nice while you're smoking. You got a hot surface here, just ready to go. Do you some smash burgers on here, cook some vegetables up while you're waiting on those ribs to cook in there. Speaking about the firebox, now the firebox is 3/8 thick. Everything else is quarter on this unit, but the firebox is 3/8. So you got an extra heavy duty firebox. D-ring tie down points on all four corners, paper towel and utensil holder. We even got the TMG Tell True thermometers, made in the USA, of course, that's what we like to see. But guys, that is this Volunteer smoker, ready to ship out. Like I said, we will ship these suckers anywhere. So hey, y'all know the deal. If you want a custom pit built just like this, you know who to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.